In my last video, I said that this keyboard was the most silent keyboard ever. Well, guys, guess what? I'm still right. Are you, like, stupid or something? Child, okay.
Oh my god, it's so loud. Oh my god.
Do you know what that sound is? That's the sound of the keycap bottoming out. That's not the switch. That's not the switch. That's the keycap bottoming out. And if you don't know what that means, you probably don't know what I'm talking about at all, or know anything about mechanical keyboards. But here, ready? Oh, sorry. All you can hear is the switch rubbing on its housing. That's it. That's it. Okay, now you tell me, is this a silent keyboard? You tell me. Put O-rings if you don't like it bottoming out.